We'll guide you through how to use Find My iPhone for someone else. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's go and say somebody's gone and lost their iPhone. And so what they want to do is go and track it, and they've got someone else's iPhone. Now, if the person who's lost their iPhone just goes and opens up the Find My app on the other iPhone, they can't go and see their devices as it's seeing the devices of the person's iPhone whose it is. So to go and get around this, you need to go and open up Safari, like so. In Safari, you need to go and type in Track Apple Devices, just like so, and scroll down and find Devices Apple iCloud and tap there. Then they can go and click on Sign In like so. What they'll need to do is go and sign in to their Apple account. Now, hopefully they'll be able to go and track their iPhone and go and find the location of it. It's that simple. If you found this useful and want to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future. Feel free to check out the channel for more useful guides as well. We cover lots of different things on there, so I'm sure you'll find something useful.